Wooting 60 Xi Gaming Keyboard Review. Discover the wooting 60 He a premium gaming keyboard renowned for its cutting-edge analog input features, boasting robust lacquer switches for ultimate precision. Perfectly tailored for gaming enthusiasts keen on enhancing their experience, this compact keyboard merges innovation with sleek design. Analog input. Utilizing Hall effect-based lacquer switches, it offers dynamic control akin to an analog joystick, ideal for supported games requiring nuanced movement. 2. Compact 60% layout. A minimalist design that economizes desk space while retaining essential functions through intuitive layers. 3. Adjustable actuation points. Customize key responsiveness, 0.1 mm to 4.0 mm, to match your gaming style. 4. Rapid trigger technology. Expedites key resets, enhancing competitive gameplay. 5. Customizable RGB lighting. Enjoy extensive options to personalize your visual setup. Designed for gamers seeking precision and customizability, the Wooting 60 seamlessly blends high-quality construction with versatile cross-platform compatibility. Explore enhanced gaming control and make it your ultimate companion.